19 question. Find the 20th term from the last of the AP 3, 8, 13 up to last term is 253. In this AP, we want to find out 20th term from the last. So we know that what is our general term formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find out the term from the beginning. We don't have the formula to find out the term from the last. So if we reverse these numbers, it means first term convert in last and last term convert in first. So when we reverse these numbers, then we obtain 13, 8, 3. So this is our new AP. And from this AP, if we find out the term from the beginning and the 20th term from the beginning, then our answer will be same. So here, what will be the value of A? A is equal to 253 and D will be equal to 8 minus 13 and value is equal to minus 5. Now which term we want to find out? 20th term. So it means n is equal to 20. 20th term and general term is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A20 will be equal to A is 253 plus n is 20 minus 1 and D is minus 5. So 253, 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into minus 5, 253 minus 95 and value is equal to 8. 14 minus 9 is 5. So 150. So what is the value of 20th term from the last of this AP and from the beginning of this AP? So this is the value of this 20th term from the last. This is the answer. Next 19th question. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? In this question, they are saying that Subba Rao is the person and he started his job at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. It means first value is rupees 5,000 and next he received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In each year there is an increment of rupees 200. So next year his salary will be equal to 5,200 and next year 5,400, next year 5,600. Okay, so what is here? Here the difference between these numbers is same. So we can say that if difference is same, so these numbers are forming an AP. And here we want to find out in which year did his income reach 7,000. Means somewhere we also obtain a value and this is equal to 7,000. But we don't know at what value this value will be equal to 7,000. So it means we want to find out the value of n. N we want to find out. In this AP, what is the value of A? A is 5,000 and D will be equal to 5,200 minus 5,000. So this value is equal to 200. D is equal to 200 and let us suppose this term is equal to nth term, because n is not given to us, and if in any question if n is not given to us, generally we consider that this value is the nth term. So n is equal to 7,000, okay, but n is not given to us and we know that what is our formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D and An is 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus n minus 1 and difference is 200. So when we take 5,000 to this side, n minus 1 into 200, so 2,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200 and n minus 1 is equal to 10 and n is equal to 11. So what is the meaning of this term? If we obtain n is equal to 11, it means in 11th year his salary will be equal to 7,000. Okay, so n is equal to 11. So 11th year, in 11th year his salary will be 7,000. So this is the answer of this question.